Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are back with another one. We are starting off strong this time because as you can see, it is Christmas Eve. I have been extremely busy, but I made it happen. I decorated my tree and I'm actually very proud of it. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to come out this year because I love decorating, but it's almost there. Next year I will nail it. It'll be better next year. It'll be what I wanted it to be, but I think it is gorgeous. I love it. And yeah, there are some presents under the tree today, guys, and I did want to share that with you guys. A little unboxing of my own. Now, most of the Christmas gifts that I did get, I did not wait to open them. I couldn't wait. When I get something, I just want to wear it right away. So we have Jimmy Choo. If you guys can see, hopefully you guys can because the light is so bright, child. It is so bright. If you guys know, you know. I'm a Jimmy Choo whore, okay? I do not ever doubt it. I love me some Jimmy Choo. I cannot help myself. Now, we all know it is the winter season. This is heavy, God. It's the winter season, so you know your girl had to get some boots. So I'm letting you know right now. So there's no surprises. It's a huge box, okay? And yeah, I got me some really cute boots. I've never gotten boots from Jimmy Choo. Do I have designer boots? I do have designer boots. But nothing from Jimmy Choo. So I decided to get, drumroll, these cute suede winter boots. I did speak with my essay. I was super nervous about getting these just because they are suede, right? But he did tell me that they are already sealed and protected and that I should just, you know, be a little wary, obviously, even if they're protected, you know, be a little wary about, you know, like maintenance. Like suede is a maintenance material. I feel like it is more high maintenance and, you know, maybe not as durable depending on it, but he told me I should be fine. Obviously, I'm extremely paranoid, of course, but they're super cute. That day I was actually wearing, which is kind of funny, I was wearing this beige color, so it went perfect with the outfit that I was wearing, but I was not gonna wear these out to dinner. So yeah, these are the shoes. They're really cute. They're furry on the inside. Oh, I didn't take the insides out. I won't take the insides out though because I'm going to make another video for my TikTok or possibly my Instagram, another unboxing, but basically the fur is on the inside as well, all throughout the inside actually. This fur trim here. I think it's I actually don't know. What fur this is. Is this fur or is it like sheepskin or something like that? I'm not sure exactly the details of this because this I was not actually looking for when I went into the store. I actually had a specific kind of shoe that I was looking for because I had emailed my essay a couple of shoes that I was interested in. And these were not the ones that I was interested in. I actually didn't even notice these until I went into the store. So yeah, I got these boots. They're super cute, and obviously they're a 38, which is kind of funny because I'm really like a 6.5, 7 in US size, but that's not US size. I think it's European size because it's 38. So yeah. On to the next one. These are actually the shoes that I went into store to get. These are a 38.5 actually, and my boots are actually a 38. So my size really does vary when it comes to European sizes. Wait, what are these the shoes that I wanted in the store? Oh no, these are not. No, these are the ones that I sent. These are the ones that I sent. So they come with a dust bag as always, as you know. And these ones, as soon as I bought them, I actually wore them out the same day. So this is what I mean by I can't really do unboxings because I will wear these shits the same day and not care. So these are the shoes. They are absolutely stunning. I love them. I love them. I love them. They're silver, but they're not like that basic ass silver shoe that you see everybody wearing. No offense to you guys. I love a good silver, but you know, I like to do a little some extra. And it has like these cute little details on it, so it's not just like a patent silver color. Is super cute. I love them. I wore them the same day I got them. My essay convinced me to do so, and of course I bit the bullet. Now you can tell I wore these already. Yes, yes. So cute, so freaking cute. I love them. I love them. I love them. I put them back in the box and did the unboxing just for you guys, obviously. No, but yeah, I already wore them. They fit so well on me. It's crazy how well they fit on me. But 38 and a half and they fit me, so yep. All these different sizes. You would think I was Bigfoot, for real. For the girlies that love the details and want to go and get it for themselves. That's for you guys. And as far as the boots, the name of the boots is Halle AB60 261 in toffee. The color is toffee. Well, the next thing we have, these, oh my god, I was so happy they had these. And they had them in like 3 different colors. They had them in pink, white, and black. Okay, I came in there for the pink ones. Drum roll to see which ones I actually ended up getting, because I've tried all the colors on. The black wasn't hitting as well as I wanted it to hit, but oh my god, would it go with every single shoe, I mean every single outfit I had. Oof, I'm telling you. So this is the shoe. Absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. It's a kitty heel though, okay? I'm not a kitty heel girly, not really, because I'm already short, so I like to get a little height in there. These are kitty heels, they are, but I don't have much kitty heels. I'm really not much of a kitty heel girl, so I'm trying something different, right? I'm trying to do something different, but these are the heels. They're absolutely stunning. I don't know if you guys can see them, so I'm gonna zoom in here so that you can really see it. Hopefully you guys can. They're absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, I don't know where the hell I'm wearing these to, but trust me, I'm gonna be wearing them probably for New Year's. Why not for New Year's? Yeah, probably gonna do it for New Year's. These are the shoes. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love them. And they have the mesh. They're extremely comfortable. Like, I can't stress this enough. They're so comfortable. I wish they did have a little bit of a back. I also want to make sure that I don't mess up the crystals, because they're Swarovski. Ooh, it's a tongue twister for me to say that, but they're Swarovski. You know what I'm talking about. I'll have it somewhere on the video, but those are the type of crystals that they have. They're so gorgeous. Oh my god, let me do a close-up one more time because I'm in love with them so much. These are what I went in there for, and they have them in pink. The pinks are so beautiful, but nothing, and I mean nothing, popped more than the white. So I got me the white, and I believe these are my first designer kitty heels. I could be wrong though, because I do have quite a bit of a collection now, but I think they are my first designer kitty heels, and oh my god, they're so freaking cute. I love them, I love them, I love them. Oh, gotta save the best for last, you know. Gorgeous. As soon as the light hits it, that is exactly what it will do. Oh my gosh, I love them. I cannot wait to wear them again. We'll most likely be wearing them for New Year's, okay? So the details of this shoe that I just showed you is VV in a 38, VV 65, 252 for the details, white and crystal. Yes, Crystal Galaxy on mesh is the description, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves for the holidays as well, and I hope you guys got everything you wanted. I know I did. The older I get, I realize that, you know, I already have the life that I already want, and I already have everything I need, and I'm just really happy. Especially when it comes to family, I'm very happy. Everybody's alive, everybody's healthy. You know, I can do things I wasn't able to do before. I'm just blessed. I'm blessed beyond measures, and I'm just happy. I'm glad. I'm thankful that I can do luxury unboxings. I'm thankful that I can continue to do luxury unboxings. I'm thankful that I can do the things that I can do, period, regardless. So I'm just so happy and so thankful. Like, I feel like the holidays are a time to just be very, 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 very thankful for what you have and what is to come. And I am just all that and above. And I'm just so happy and thankful for all the loved ones in my life, and all of my friends, and all of the people that I care about. And like, I'm grateful for like just freaking life. I'm just so happy and grateful for just the life that I have, and the discernment, and like the I don't know. I'm just fucking happy, man. I'm just happy, and I just hope everybody else finds that joy